Music Video Editor is an Android application designed to help users create, edit, and enhance music videos easily. This app provides a user-friendly interface that allows individuals to combine video clips, images, and audio tracks seamlessly, making it ideal for both casual users and aspiring content creators. The application typically features a variety of editing tools, including trimming, cropping, and merging clips, as well as adding filters, effects, and transitions to enhance the visual appeal of the videos. Users can also incorporate various music tracks from their device, or choose from a library of royalty-free music to complement their creations. Additionally, Music Video Editor often allows for customization options, such as adding text overlays, stickers, and animations, enabling users to personalize their videos further. The app may support exporting videos in various resolutions, making it suitable for sharing on social media platforms and other online channels. Overall, Music Video Editor empowers users to express their creativity by producing captivating music videos, making it a popular choice for social media enthusiasts and hobbyists alike.